Hello and welcome to this short video on the KUPO Tethermate laptop platforms. The Tethermate is a lightweight aluminum platform designed to support your laptop, lightweight LCD projector, or any other device that requires a flat foundation. It's ideal for tethered shooting with your camera connected to your laptop with a cable. The platform mounts simply via a 1/4-20 female thread or a 3/16 female thread. The platform comes with U-shaped sliding sleeves mounted underneath, designed for accessories such as a hard drive holder and a mouse side table. A non-slip pad is provided to protect your laptop from scratches and prevents it from sliding. The edges are rounded to make them snag-free and smooth to the touch. There are two sizes available. The small will accommodate laptops up to 15 inches, and the large will accommodate laptops up to 17 inches. Let's get our Tethermate on top of the stand for tethered shooting. First, we take our KUPO baby ball head adapter and thread the 3/16 male thread into the corresponding hole on the bottom of the platform. Next, we'll bag our rolling light stand to prevent it from tipping. We'll then remove the knob from the bottom of our baby ball head adapter, slide it into the combo head of our rolling stand, and tighten to secure. Place the laptop on top of the platform and angle to your liking. Lastly, attach your laptop to your camera with a tether cable and you're ready to start shooting. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO, we like to say, never let go.